How much the flooding has caused some problems here in Batesville. So we will check it out.
So we're going to go over Poke Bio Bridge, because if it floods on our side of town, it'll start right here at the creek.
See down here if it's going over the road down here.
They've got the road blocked, so it's over the road on Cherry Street, I mean. Yes.
Show.
I'm showing. Look,
Flood's over there.
Flood on the road. Okay, I'm going to point you out on the side of the bridge, so... Oh yeah, water's up there all over the bank. Oh yeah.
Oh,
ooh,
wow.
Boy.
It's up.
Yes, it's up, and it's mean.
It's supposed to rain tonight. Oh Lord.
All night.
It's gonna be good.
Do I want to get up and cross that in the morning?
We'll see.
Yeah, our room got cleansed a little bit, didn't it?
Yeah, a little bit of flood in the room. Woke up to my arm being splashed with water.
Poor honey. That bad way to wake up. And then down here there's some floodgates, so I guess if it gets to this point,
we'll close that off.
Close that off. But so far, it looks okay. Well, little mini flood on the railroad track right there. Railroad tracks are rough. Sorry about the jiggle. Oh, I can see angry water right there, pretty close to the top here. Yeah, it's got a ways to go before it will flood. But wow! Oh yeah, the river's about to cover that little island that separates the creek from the river. It's mad. It's angry. Now there's the floodgates. Now how's those floodgates going to help right back there?
I don't. Yeah.
I don't understand how that could really do any good. But I'm sure they have a plan.
Yeah, you definitely can't drive down in there. And it is.
Oh, they closed their private gate. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, they have a little iron gate there. They're making sure nobody tries to enter that way into the creek. And like I said, I think there's people driving around looking just like we are.
Let's check right down here and see what's going on.
Ricky is driving us into a hole. And there's a, I don't know how deep this is, honey. That might be like thousands of feet deep.
Yeah, it's almost crested over that.
Yeah, it's can you see that thing? Yeah. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, look, it's covering some of the trees. It's got the little platform where the stadium used to be, so covered.
It's getting there.
Well, and the river's right over there, and it's fixing to be all one body of water here directly.
Keepers.
Well, the creek and the river are becoming
Swooped.
It's swooped.
Wow.
Oh my, look at there. There's not much clearance between this and the bridge. Look at that. Ooh, look at the big stuff out there. All that debris.
Oh, those fishies.
Oh yeah.
Fishies got more room to swim in.
Logs.
The room got bigger.
There's some logs floating down the river there, and some jammed at the bridge. Yeah, it's pretty deep. It's pretty high. If there's a roadblock down here, we'll have to turn around. But so far, so good. Looks like there's traffic moving, so no big. There's not much between the land and the water. As a matter of fact, our little amphitheater out there is like surrounded by water on the backside, which we've seen that before. Yeah. So think it did this in 2008.
I think it did it live 2000. We got one in 2012, 13.
I don't know. It's on film.
Yeah, we
It's
got
on
it.
YouTube.
Once
Oh my!
before.
Look at how fast. You can't even see our little dam because it's covered with stuff. Somebody trying to turn out. Everybody's just sitting here watching the river. I don't know. I think it looks bad. Look at
It's
that.
coming up.
It's real mad. It's a mad river. But let me roll down my window first. Now we got a good clear view of the mess. Well, it's right there by the rocks too. Look at that. It's just right up there, about to hit that driveway. And there's where Lock 1 is, and all that turbulence going on. It's crazy bad. Don't drive off the hill here. But look at there, it's level with the driveway down there. Somebody was beeping at us or something. Look at that grossness. It's gross. Yeah, looks like the Chocolate River on Willy Wonka's movie. And just think, we were out there fishing not too long ago. I don't think I want to be out there fishing today, do you? But that's where we were. Right out there. It's pretty tall, huh?
Yeah, you can't even get across there now.
Well, you can, but boy, you wouldn't want to. It's pretty high up. See, right out there on that apron's where we were fishing.
You know something missing?
Yeah, the fence. Where's it at?
They took it down so it doesn't get washed away again.
Oh my. Well, I was just thinking, yeah, I was fishing over a fence a couple weeks ago and it's gone. I guess they took it down.
Going up over the top of that.
Yeah. It's gross, isn't it?
Supposed to rain tomorrow tonight?
I guess so. I don't think the river's crested. There's flood marks back here on something. There's a pole down there that shows the flood stages. It's back there where we just drove from. It was on something. Well, Josie's got their parking lot washed out. They get in a sinkhole. Red and yellow. I did.
It's working.
Okay. Anyway. Oh yeah, it's come up into the little grassy. It's got a tree knocked over there. Yeah, we're not too far from the river right now. It's kind of flooded. But this right here is not, well, they've closed off the road going underneath the bridge, so.
It's underwater.
Yeah, it's underwater. And that field out there on the other side of the levee is flooded. But not this side. Kind of weird. Huh. Just weird.
It's not flooded yet either.
It's not too bad, really.
Not yet, but it will get there. Well, this is where staff mark is. Jump 6 feet. 6 feet. Legendary submarines. What's it got here? Vehicles. Not much.
Why?
Just asking.
I don't know, I guess. Well, it's getting up there a little bit. I've seen it higher.
I'm sure it'll get higher.
Yeah. Lots of big trees floating down the river. Yeah. Big trees. These people are loading their plants up because they're expecting to get flooded, I think. They got a trailer out there. Or two. Yeah, they've loaded up everything sitting out there. If you enjoy our videos, please click like.
Give us a thumbs up.